Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use reactions on Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we are going to follow this Google Messages Help Center article and we are going to learn more about reaction features or expressive features in Google Messages. And simply now, we will be needing to go to Google Messages, and from here we can learn that to add reaction, you will be needing just to hold, tap a message, and from there you will find reactions. That means you will be needing just to go to Google Messages, then you go to the conversation, and from there you will find your messages that will be listed here. Now you will need just to tap hold on a message and a bunch of reactions or emojis that will be showing. Then you will be needing to click on it, and after that you will be able to start adding that reaction or emoji. Also, you can also have some other features. For example, you can use photo emoji that you can go to your text box. That means here you will have this emoji icon that will be showing in your toolbar at the bottom. And after that, you will be needing to click on create. Now you will be able to select a photo from your image gallery and then you will be able to make it as an emoji, which is a photo emoji. Then you can click on send and it will be sent as kind of reaction or just expressive features. And also you would have many other things like animated emojis, screen effects, etc. And what we are interested in is to simply add reactions. And as we said, you will need just to hold tap a message and you will have a bunch of emojis reaction that will be shown and you can use any of them. Basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.